Okay friends, let's see how do we sort our data in Excel. Under the column A, where the items are listed, I have made them randomized with respect to their alphabetical order, and now we will, using tools, inbuilt Excel tools, we will sort them with respect to their alphabetical order. To do that, we are going to use the sort and filter button, which is available over here in editing section of the home ribbon. This same button is also available under the data ribbon over here. The choice is up to you. It doesn't matter from where you access the button. So to do that, to do the sorting of our data set, we will select the data set first of all, and then uh, we will go over to sort and filter, and it says sort A to Z. You can see now the data along with their corresponding entries have been sorted alphabetically from A to Z, and you could have also used to sort the data in the reverse order from Z to A. That is, apples comes at the last and potatoes comes at first. Okay, I will just undo this. And now suppose, what if we have what if we have two entries of same name and we want to sort it, keeping the item which has a more total number of cells in the week at the top of the item which has less total number of cells throughout the week. To do that, we will go under the sort and filter, and the drop down menu will open. This time we will use custom sort. So pardon me, I'll just select the entire range and then sort and filter, custom sort. Now you see it has, first of all, at the top right, my focus is on a checkbox which says my data has headers. If I unclick this, deselect it, so it is counting the heading as part of my data set, and it will sort considering those as well. And if I check this box, it is automatically disregarding the top first row of our selected data range, and it is considering it as a set of cells containing heading, and it is not going to do anything to them while sorting. Now moving on, we have sort by. It has taken the headings, otherwise it would have been column number, right? So column A, I want to sort by column A, and A to Z, correct, A to Z, and cell values, okay, items, right? And after that I want to add layer. It will first sort by this, and if the in sorting two items collide under this criterion, it will move to this, where I want total column total to be considered while sorting, and I want the largest at the top of the sorting order. And once I'm satisfied with my sorting set of layers, I will click OK. Now you can see apple, bananas, coconuts, cucumbers, blah blah blah, and pineapple. And in the under the pineapple, the pineapple which has a total greater is ordered before or listed above the pineapple which has order less. So we can have a fun in a lot of ways in this. We can custom sort, and no, my heading is not there, and I want this. In fact, largest to smallest. I can say I want the data to be sorted based on which item was sold more on a particular day, say Friday. That's under column F. So column F, under column F, sorry, column F, the largest value will be displayed above. Again, in under pineapple, on Friday, this pineapple who has the total sell less than the pineapple is listed above, because this time during sorting we considered the sale on a particular day, Friday, not the total sale as whole. So this was larger or greater, therefore it was listed above and the other one was listed below. That's it.